Hi, I'm Sven. This is a tour of my garage where I store all my reenactment kit as well as materials. So let's start this way. So along here are all my tabletops and benches, archery targets, plywood for beds, etc. And this is my weapons rack. So I've got my spears, my bows, and pole arms. Down here is chairs and more tabletops and benches. Up here I've got all my tents and tarps. Here is all my pieces for the beds, benches, tables and chairs. Same down here. I use the bucket for the stool legs. I've even got some grinding stones down there, 2 sets. Thanks to Leah for one of the grinding wheels, and I think the other one came from Wayne. Okay, over here, miscellaneous junk. So, bits of tent, some of my golden balls, buckets, wash tub. Okay, moving here is my shield wall, and where I store various bits and pieces of metal. Okay, so I've added to the actual storage. This is where I store all the long, skinny, flat things. Beds, more metal and timber, tabletops. I've even got a tube for taking bows. I've got this tube is a spear carrier. So, and of course, this is a bed mattress. And the family car goes in here. So that's what it looks like. A place for everything and everything in its place. Okay, have a safe one.